Happy Friday, boys and girls. Okay, for your directive draw, get out your piece of paper. You are going to need a pencil, crayons, watercolors, paintbrush, and a little thing of water, okay? And you might want to get like a little napkin too. So, you are going to be using your pencil first. I'm going to use a black marker just so you can see what I'm doing on the paper, okay? So what we're going to do is kind of like right here, you're going to draw a circle. So make a circle. There's your circle, okay? Great job, guys. Now we're going to add a couple triangles. To that circle. And then you're going to add another triangle inside the triangle, like so. Okay? What do you think it is? Then we're going to add a circle and a circle. Okay? And then I want you to put another little, like so. Okay? You guys are doing great. Now you're going to make a little triangle. Little tiny triangle. What do you think it could be? Then, you ready? You're going to kind of make like a semicircle. Do you remember that? A semicircle, a half a circle. And then you're going to make like the letter U right there. Okay? Now, what you need to do is make another semicircle there and a semicircle here. Okay? Good job. And then we're going to make 3 little bumps. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Great job. Okay, now you're going to go just about right here and you're going to bring that over. And bring that like that, okay? You're gonna do the same thing on this side. Voila. Fantastic. And then you're gonna bring a line right across there, like that. Now you're gonna make a big kind of circle going around. Whoa, that was big, huh? Then we're going to make some lines going down on each side. Okay. And you're right, it's a kitty cat in a pumpkin. How funny is that? Okay, so what you're going to do now is we're going to, you can, if you want, you know what, I'm going to make this like grass. So I'll use my crayon a little bit for grass there. And then I'm going to put a big moon up here. So it's like dark time. Okay, so what I want you to do is you're going to take your black crayon and you're going to go over your pencil mark. Okay? And remember, if you need to stop the video, go ahead and stop the video. So I'm going to go over mine. That's a big long one. If you need to take your crayon up when you do this one, you might need to. Whew. Almost forgot his little paws. Oh, and his face. Take your time. We're in no rush. You have all afternoon, okay? And I'm going to do his little lines here. Now, since I know my grass is going to be green, I'm going to use my green crayon here. And I'm just going to put some grass in, okay? And same thing with my moon. Actually, I'm going to do my moon with a black. Yeah, I'll do yellow. It's fine. Whatever color you want. Okay, how we doing? So once you get your cat and pumpkin all done with crayon, you're then going to put your crayons away. So put them all back in your box, like so. And then you're going to get your watercolors out, okay? So I'm going, and then what you want to do is you want to put your brush in the water first a little bit. And then when I do watercolors, okay, I don't want to make it super, super wet. So I'm going to do my moon first, okay? And like I said, you might want to, like after you dip your brush in the water first, dab it first on a napkin. And then I'm just going to paint my moon. And if you want more color, you want it darker, don't add more water. Don't add extra water, okay? Okay, so there's my moon. Okay, and then I'm going to, changing color, so you want to make sure you get all that color out. And then dab it on your napkin, okay? Now I'm going to use like a pinky red color to get my red going here. And I'm just going to use a little tiny, tiny bit of it, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit in here. And I'm just dabbing it, just kind of dotting it onto the, not even really brushing it. And then I'm going to give my cat a little red tongue, okay? Then I'm swishing it out, okay? Now, since it's Halloween time, I'm going to give my cat some green eyes. And again, I'm just dabbing. Okay, and I'm going to make my cat a black cat. So, whoops, that's purple. That won't work well. Make a purple cat, that would be funny. Huh. So now I'm going to go over my cat with black. Now this part here is going to be orange. So you got to be careful when you paint in there. And do you notice anything that's happening when you paint over the crayon? Something happening there? What is it doing? It doesn't, it resists, it's called. Okay, so there's my cat. Whoop, needs a little bit more paint there. I almost messed up there, but that's okay. If you go over that in black, that's fine. And you can make your cat any color you want, okay? I just did a black cat because I think of black cats at Halloween time. Okay, so there's my, whoop, and I did a little over there. Oh, I forgot this guy's little paw. Okay, now of course our pumpkin's gonna be orange, right? So I'm going to go into my orange here. And now see, watch, when I go over this, look at, see, you can see the water goes right up against it. It's not even taking to it. So here you can go over it. Now remember, if you need to stop the video, go ahead and please stop the video, okay? It's not a big deal. I can't wait to see you guys' work all done. You guys are so good. Look at, who knew that you guys, look at you guys did a pumpkin with a kitty cat in it. How good is that? Now, if you don't have watercolors at home, that's fine. You could also just do it with crayons, color him in. we go. I'm like, Pumpkin, he became two-tone, but that's okay. Okay, now remember I decided to do this part as he's in grass. So I'm gonna make him green, some green grass. There we go. Now, I need to paint the sky too, huh? So I'm gonna paint my sky kind of a dark blue like, okay? So, whoops, because it's like nighttime. And watercolors will dry really, really fast too. So, because they're doing fantastic. I can't wait to see your pictures. You all are so talented. If your brush gets dry, just put it back into the water and then put it back into your color. But you don't want to get a whole lot of water in there. Otherwise your color is kind of lighter. Okay, so see how I did all my blue there. Now there's something I forgot to do. I bet you guys know what it is. I didn't sign my name, huh? So I'm gonna sign it right here. And this, you might want to wait until your work dries too. Okay. And look what you guys did. Be sure to share. I can't wait to see it.